Okay, this is SS1 mathematics. We're asked to solve for x, and a question says in the bracket 0.25 raised to the power of x plus 1, which is also equals to 16. Number B question says 8 raised to the power of x is equals to 0.25. So let's watch the step and listen carefully. I'm going to solve it and explain it in a very simple way for you to understand. This is SS1 mathematics. That is year 10. Solution. Let's start from A. We have 0.25 in the bracket, x plus 1, all is equals to 16. At this point, you change the one in the bracket to 25 over 100. We have to change it from decimal to fractions so that we can be able to calculate it properly. Then we can reduce it to 1 over 4 raised to power x plus 1 equals to 16. Please, let's take it to this side. So 4 raised to power of minus 1 x plus 1 equals to 4 raised to the power of 2. Look at what happened here. This is 1 over 4, and in this place it turns to 4 raised to power minus 1. They are the same. 1 over 4 is the same as 4 raised to power minus 1. Why did we do it? We do it to give us room to be able to multiply with the power. And 16 has also been reduced to 4 raised to power 2. The reason is because without that we'll not be able to solve this effectively. Now let's remove the brackets. Right now we have 4 raised to power minus 1, close the bracket, x plus 1, close the bracket, is equals to 4 raised to power 2. At this point, we can divide this base together because it's the same. 4 here, 4 here. So we can work with the power. Remember, we are looking for the value of x. So when you cancel this one, what we are left with is minus 1 into the bracket of x plus 1, close the bracket, equals to 2. Because these 4, 2 of them have been cancelled each other. So let's remove the bracket. Minus 1 multiplied by x. We are going to have minus x. Minus 1 multiplied by plus 1. We are going to have minus 1 equals to 2. Because you have to use this minus 1 to multiply all through. First, you multiply by x, we have minus x. Second, you multiply minus 1 by plus 1, you get minus 1. So at this place, you collect like terms. That means minus 1 has to go to the other side. Since we are looking for the value of x, x must stand alone. So at this point, you have minus x, which equals to 2 plus 1. Why is it turning to plus? It's turning to plus because it's moving from the left hand side to the right hand side. So the sign here is minus. As it's crossing from the left to this side to the right, it will turn to the plus. So this is equal sign. You divide this equation into 2. From here to this side is left hand side. Then this 2 is right hand side. So we need to move this one too so that we can be able to simplify it. So at this point you have x minus x is equals to 3. Remember, we are looking for x and not minus x. So you divide both sides by -1. So by the time you divide minus x by -1, you are going to get ordinary x. By the time you divide 3 by -1, you are going to have -3 as the final answer. So you can pause the video and copy the solution down together while I solve B. This one is for A. Alright, let's tackle B. B now is the same procedure you can use. If you can solve A, this one will not be difficult. So this one will give you 8 raised to power x, and this will be 25 over 100. So we can also reduce it to 1 over 4. Then let's take it to this side. 8x is equals to 4 raised to power -1, as we did before. I explained it before. Now, what you need to do now is there are similar factors in 8 and 4. That is 2 raised to power 3x equals to 2 raised to power -2. How do you come about this? 8 is the same as 2 raised to power 3. That means 2 times 2 times 2 in 3 places. 2 times 2 times 2 in 3 places will give us 8. That's why we have 2 raised to power 3. And that 3 multiplied by x is 3x. So 2 raised to power 3x. The same thing is applicable here. 4 is the same as 2 raised to power 2. That is 2 times 2 in 2 places will give us 4. So that 2 multiplied by -1 will still get -2. So at this junction, we are going to cancel the base. We cancel these 2 and these 2. What is remaining is 3x minus is equals to -2. So you divide both sides by 3. Since we are looking for the value of x, x will now be -2 all over 3 as the final answer. Thank you for coming. You keep following my video as I will be adding other interesting topic every week. Thank you very much.